package. Hey. But it's this little thing. This is what I have bought. And then I got this little my smile thing. I seen it on the commercial and I want to try it. Keon seen it, was like, "You doing injections?" I was like, "No, bro, it's for my teeth." And do this, do what it say it do. Oh, it does. That's so cool. Hold on, I want to try it. I mean, you don't feel nothing. It's just a bright light. You can see, like, my teeth are white, but I want them to be like in the camera, bright, pearly white. Because my teeth used to be like that when I was little. But I smoked cigarettes. I used to smoke weed. I drink coffee. I done a lot to my teeth. But I still brush them every day. Oh, I like that beeping sound. But yeah, this is going to be a trial. And I'm going to use my Hello Naked paste with this. Because they said I can use that. They don't want me to use regular toothpaste. They said they wanted me to buy the toothpaste to come with this. Who's going to pay $45? And I had already paid $50 for this. And just to re-up on the little syringe things is another $40. Hold on, there's something that came on the bottom. Something came on the bottom. I wonder what. I guess this goes in the syringes. A free gift. If I can get it out. My fingers is too big. My smile attitude. Oh, a whitening shade guy. Okay, let me see where I'm at. Hell, nowhere on this edge. I'm like, hell, I can't see. Cause my shit ain't brown. I say mine's is like a 3-4. Ooh. Free teeth whitening powder, free $5 Amazon gift card, scan with your phone camera app to get your free gift. What's this? Repeat 2 to 5 steps. Oh, it comes with steps. Okay. We're gonna try this before I have to go to work. But we ain't gonna try it right now because I gotta go to sleep. So when I get up, we're gonna try this. I'm gonna brush my teeth, I'm gonna wash my face and stuff, do my whole little routine. And then I'm gonna do this just so y'all can see. Because I wanna know if that even is nasty. Cause like, okay, that light bright. Cause I want to know, like, what's the syringe stuff for? It goes in here, but it ain't no hole that it's coming out of. Guess we'll figure it out when I get it.
What you doing, folks? What you doing, folks?
But look. It's snowing. I'm finna show you how deep it is. Oh, shit. Ooh. Look, okay, you see my foot? That's fucking crazy. My whole foot go in the damn snow. And look at her. You like it? Go on back out there. She like it. She crazy. Come on. She really is fucking with the snow.
I told you she'd be out here. She said, fuck it from there. No. She went back. She It's like it's too cold. She like this shit, but it's too cold. She a little too happy.
I'm finna go back in the house. She getting all this snow on me.
Yeah, my shit.
We can't even start because mama sleep. Oh, she ain't got no food in her bowl. I need to go buy her some more.
The Southern States on there.
Where's it at?
You get a big ass bag.
Because I be paying $30 for her bag of food. You want a treat?
Hell yeah.
Want cookie? Want cookie? Want cookie? Sit. 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 That's it. My hair's dripping. Jeremiah. Bruh, this snow ain't no hoe. I'm trying to tell you. Look at my car. Can't even see my temporary license plate. Better not pull off. Police gonna whoop my ass. Jeremiah's car can't move. He can't get in none of his doors. That's why we're using this one. And this one keep on dying on us. I don't know why. Pep a little bit. Her little Valentine's Day gift still back there. We still can't even see out the back window. It's crazy, man. So they can see how we slide in, but you can play your music because I'm just gonna block it. Oh, you can't play no music?
Yeah, I just told you why.
Okay, then the brakes is free of the ice now.
Look at these niggas.
What are they doing?
Who died? Did the police car swerve?
The police is the one that wrecked.
That is funny.
I am weak.
Look at this nigga. Look at this big nigga. Hey,
Look at that big. He huge.
as fuck. We should be laughing at this though.
Okay, because
Is that Bebe? Is that Bebe tall ass?
No. Oh, they got Kenny. They arresting Kenny. Okay, Cora, I need you to move. Come on, stop being nosy.
They got the dudes. But yeah, now that I recorded all them niggas,
That shit's crazy. They got Kenny. They busted him. Cause you know that's Kool-Aid stepdaddy. Oh, they looking all in his car. Look at Fat Man and look at Dip.
Yeah, you see Dip?
That is funny. That ain't funny.
But I thought the police
the police wrecked.
I thought that's what I was laughing.
And it was a drug bust.
Sheesh.
That's tough.
Turn off the video.
No, cause I know we finna slide up here. Cause I wanna get it on camera when we slide. Why is that nigga walking like a penguin?
Cause he ain't got
He waddling.
He ain't got his hands in his sleeve. I already know what he doing. Is this my boy Jay Sean actually? Hold up, that wanna be that's one of my niggas.
It look like him.
That look like my boy. That's either Jay Sean or Perk. It look like Perk.
Like Percy.
That look like Perk. That's Perk. Perk. What you doing, boy? Perk. Hey, shut up, nigga. Get in the back. You going to Jay Sean's? Hop in the back.
That's the fence that Karma tried to jump in because them dogs kept barking at me. Now where he live?
Who? District. You know Fowler.
That's the West.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Chrissy used to live on that street.
Fowler?
Yeah. When she used to go with Tada's brother Cam.
Oh yeah. I didn't know that was her house though. I thought that was Cam's house.
No, it was Aunt Chrissy's house. Them people that had bad credit. Everything was in Aunt Chrissy's name.
That's when Aunt Chrissy was DB down bad. That's when.
Ooh, let me follow this path. Y'all, his Charger been riding outside the car the whole time. He going to get a do-rag from his friend though. Cause we finna braid. I heard motherfuckers out here with motherfucking shovels and shit to move the snow. That's fucked up that our city ain't moving the snow.
That is. They can't drive with the truck.
Huh?
They can't drive with the truck.
They had one yesterday when it was ice.
It's taking a long time to snow outside. I can tell you how to do it right now. You can do it, but it's just like the ice on the truck is fucked up.
Oh, so you can't even get the hood up.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard to get the hood up because the little notch, I think it got ice on it.
I mean, it really don't look like it got that much. It's all snow, it look like. Oh, yeah, it's froze. That's why I tried to touch. It's froze. I'm saying it's froze. Gonna have to come out here with a lighter or a candle. Because that's how I had to get mama door open, with a candle. Y'all, this lady keep on yelling at me to move my car, so I'm finna warm it up. Quit. We're not going nowhere. In this car anyway. I heard that. Come on. Bro, that's why I ain't been driving my car. You see it stuck in the motherfucking snow. Hell, his car stuck. We just got in the car unstuck yesterday and mama car today. Done. So we can walk to the stop. Yeah, it's freezing. Shit. Look at how deep this snow is. And you want to pull and gallop. Dog crazy. Barely can walk. You gonna make me fall. I should have put her booties on her. Cause I know her feet cold. Hell, look at the road. Can't see where the driveways start or nothing. Ooh, I shouldn't have threw away my black Tims. Cause these the waterproof ones, but I don't know if they gonna hold through all of this ice and snow. They gonna have spots on, look, they got spots on them already. Girl, I know it's making me wanna run too. Feel sorry for the homeless people. Whew. Shit, come on. Oh, you gonna stop and take a shit? Is it gonna melt the snow? Yeah, I bet you won't kick in. Yeah, brush it off. Damn, look at that car covered in the snow. Go. They all in my face. Yeah, I got a camera. Please tell me they open. I don't want to walk to this door for no reason. Whew. freaking leak. Quick. It's too cold to be playing with you. Yes, stay here. Cause usually this stuff don't open till 9. Stay here though. Hola.
Hello.
Can I get a pack of City Life diamonds?
The dog? Dog man, no,
It's nowhere for me to tie her up out there, and it's snow out there.
somebody's scared, you know?
Yeah, but she trained. She my service dog.
You know already, but nobody knows.
Huh?
No, some people know it's scared, you know?
Yeah, but that's why she got a harness and she stay close to me. But she trained.
I know, but they shoot to cover me, you know?
Like she finna start working with the firefighters. That's what's up, though. Thank you. Come on. Come on. Y'all heard them foods? No dog. No dog. Bitch, she's trained. She's trained. She got papers. Talking about people scared. People scared, nigga. If I said this my service animal, I can go anywhere I want to with this dog. I can go in the courthouse with this dog. I don't know if that's true, but I can go anywhere I want to with this dog. Just like my granny can with Terry. You better shut up and suck my dick. If you would have called the police, they would have told you the same thing. She's not a vicious animal. She's a trained service animal. You wanna run? Come on. Go. She outrunning me. Go. You see, she won't go too far without me. Like, if I stop, watch what she do. She's like, what you doing? Come on, act. Don't you get in that street. Let's go see if the car warm yet. Where you going? Come on. All right, it melted it enough. Come on. So I can move it. Shit, I can't see. Come on. Go. My nose. I need some tissue.